How to optimize your YouTube channel for search. There are several steps you can take to optimize your YouTube channel for search. Use relevant and descriptive titles for your videos. Your titles should accurately describe the content of your videos and include relevant keywords. Use relevant tags to classify your videos. YouTube uses tags to understand the content of your videos, so be sure to use tags that accurately describe your videos. Write a detailed and informative description for each of your videos. Your descriptions should include relevant keywords and provide context for your videos. Create a compelling thumbnail image for your videos. A good thumbnail image can help your videos stand out in search results and encourage people to click on your videos. Collaborate with other creators and cross-promote your content. Partnering with other creators can help expose your channel to a wider audience and improve your visibility in search results. Promote your channel and videos on social media and other platforms. Sharing your videos on social media and other platforms can help drive traffic to your channel and improve your visibility in search results. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging viewer interaction. This can help increase the engagement on your videos and improve your visibility in search results. Use closed captions and subtitles to make your videos more accessible to a wider audience. This can also help improve the SEO of your videos. By following these tips, you can improve the visibility of your YouTube channel and videos in search results and attract more viewers.